So this side of the house, as you can see, has all been painted. Well, at least the white up there looks pretty good. And up through in that way a long ways. So hopefully tomorrow we'll get the rest of it done. Well, today is an outside day. Get a chance to work on getting the trim done. You can see Bill's up there painting away. Oops, up here. Anyways, doing all of the work. We're blessed another Bill to lend us the rental, or this big lift here that he had over at the church that I've been going to. It's a little Chazy church. Pretty nice. You can see all the work that's getting done. Get around the rest of the house, but it's definitely looking good. This side, finish this porch, and then you can see this side has all been scraped already. I got this yesterday. We're going to paint the shutters black, and yeah, you can see up there that's all been done and scraped. So you got to that side, and we're going to replace the top of that chimney. And then I've been up on the roof scraping the roof off so we can put a coat of aluminum on there. We're just about there. Hopefully we can get this done today and tomorrow. Get this old house a little bit better, and then we'll be back probably working inside next week because it's supposed to rain. Yeah, it's gonna look good. So we got the new chimney. You can see the 3 blocks at the top up there are all new. So that's all been repaired. And then tomorrow we'll get that painting done. So it should look good.